What is up guys, none of the sites. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your GPU run at 100%. So first, to check the GPU, you need to press the shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the task manager, and then you need to see performance of your GPU that currently it's now running at. So as you can see, this is my CPU and my GPU performance. Here it is running 6% and is at 46 degrees Celsius. Now, to do this, you just simply need to click on the Windows button, and then you need to head over to the settings. After heading over to the settings, you need to click on System, and here in the system, you need to click on Display. After clicking on Display, you need to scroll down until you see the Graphics section. Simply click on this Graphics, and then here the Graphics window will open. From this Advanced Graphics section, you need to make sure that the variable refresh rate is turned on. And if you want to change the custom graphics for any of the particular application, you just simply need to click on this, and then in the GPU preference, you need to click on this and then click on high performance. And after that, here you will see the optimization for Windows games. Simply click on that, and then on the left side, you need to head over to the gaming section, and from there you need to click on game mode, and you need to make sure that you have the game mode toggle on. And then in the graphics here, these are the basic graphics that you just simply turned on. So this is how you can make your graphics run at 100%. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.